Hello. In this video, I'm going to be giving you reason to believe that the derivative of natural log x with respect to x is 1 over x. Okay, so I think what I need to start off with is, what do we mean by natural log x? What is our definition in this class? If you watched the video where I showed you about the derivative of e to the x, I told you that our definition of e that we take in my class is the limit definition. The limit as, p goes to infinity of 1 plus p to the 1 over p power. And we also, and I think I may have mentioned that we define natural log to be the inverse function for e to the x, which means that, natural log of x is equal to some number y where e to the y equals x. Okay? And that's what I'm going to be using right now. And, you can do a little bit of work and determine that log of x is a well-defined function. We're not going to be able to take in one x and get two different exponents we can put on e to get that. Okay, but I would leave that as an exercise for you to run through yourself, because all I need is really that definition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, suppose y equals the natural log of x. So I'm going to start with, and then I'm going to find dy dx. I'm going to show it's equal to 1 over x. All right. That means that x is equal to e to the y. And if two things are equal, then their derivatives with respect to x should also be equal. E to the x, I just want the derivative of x is equal to the derivative with respect to x of e to the y. Right? And, well, if you know how to take a derivative implicitly, if you're about through, say, Unit 4 of my Cal BC class, you will know how to do this. If you don't, then just, hold on, come back to this when you do. This is going to be, well, the derivative of x with respect to x is 1 is equal to the derivative of e to the y with respect to x. The derivative of e to a thing is e to the thing times the derivative of that thing. So it's going to be e to the y times the derivative of y with respect to x, that's dy dx. It really all comes back to the chain rule because it's e to the y of x. And then, well, I'm going to say that dy dx is equal to 1 over e to the y. And we said that e to the y was equal to x, so that means that this is going to be equal to 1 over x, which is what I'd set out to show you in the first place. Okay, I think in the next video I will talk to you about logarithms that aren't natural log, like log with base 10, log with base 2. They're not logs I particularly, have a whole lot of occasion to work with, but they are things that we need to be able to take the derivative of, so I'll show you about that in the next one.